Hello students, good morning to all of you. Well, today here I am going to explain the characteristics of living things. Today we have studied about first characteristics like cellular structure. We have seen that there are two types of cellulars. First is unicellular and second is multicellular. Unicellular means single cells and multi means many cells. Okay. Now today we will discuss about movement. Second property, second characteristics of living things. Here I have written second point, movement. So let's go for study. Here movement means if you want to go to a certain place, you walk or run towards it. If a cat wants to go outside the house, it moves out from the door or the window. Okay? When we want to go to a certain place, then we can walk or run towards. And similarly, a cat wants to go outside the house, it also moves out from the door or the window. So, the movement in animals means living things. The movement in animals where they actually move from one place to another is called locomotion. When we move from one place to another, then it is called locomotion. Humans and animals use their locomotory organs to move. For example, humans and cats use legs, fishes use fins, and birds use wings and legs to move from one place to another. So, all living things can move from one place to another. But have you seen plants move from one place to another? Plant is also a living thing. But have you seen plants move from one place to another? Absolutely no. Why? Because plants don't walk around. So, plants not move at all. Actually, plants do show movement. Plants show movement, but they do not walk around. This movement is called tropism. When plants do show movement but they do not walk around, then it is called this type of movement. This type of movement is called tropism. However, the movements of a plant are not as clear as that of an animal and are limited to growth of parts of the plants. Okay? So, plants cannot move from one place to another. Next, plants require sunlight for making food. As we know that plants make their own food Therefore, they move in the direction of the sun. They move in the direction of the sun to capture as much sunlight as they can. This movement is called phototropism. When plants move in the direction of the sun to capture as much sunlight, this movement is called phototropism. Okay. Next property, next character of living things is response to stimuli. Response to stimuli. Here, some actions. You come out in the sunlight from a dark room. Your finger is pricked with a needle by someone. You touch a hot vessel. You start feeling cold. When we do this type of action, that means stimulus, so there will be some reaction. That means it is response to show the another activity. Okay. What was your response to someone pricking your finger with a needle or to you touching a hot vessel? Yes. Of immediately pulling your hand away. This sudden movement you saw is called a reflex action. When we touch a hot vessel, immediately pulling our hand away. This sudden movement is called reflex action. Reflex action means sudden movement in response. Okay. So the sudden movement in response to a stimulus is called a reflex action. A stimulus means an action to which an organism shows reactions. You can see here some reflection action. Plant kept on the window bends towards light. Have you seen? Of course. Sunflowers always faces the sun. Touch me not, plant. Touch me not, plant is also shows the reflex action. Okay. When a stimulus is given to an organism, the organism senses some change in the surrounding environment and therefore behaves in a particular way, that is, shows reaction. Hence, when you move your hand away, if you are pricked with a needle, you are basically reacting to the stimulus of being pricked. Plants also respond to stimuli. For example, when you touch me not plant, when we touch a touch me not plant, it closes its leaves. That means here reflection action shows. Okay. So children, I hope you will understand easily. Now you have to write all difficult words from this chapter neatly and learn properly. Okay. Tomorrow we will see the next property, nutrition, respiration, whatever. Okay. That's all. Thank you.